The chances of getting a spot ETF for altcoins like XRP, Dogecoin, and Cardano have just shot up. Bloomberg analysts now say there's a 90% chance these ETFs get approved by the end of 2025. That's a major shift from just 2 weeks ago when those odds were far lower. The change comes after the SEC began more active discussions with issuers. According to Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffart, this engagement is a strong sign. Alongside fellow analyst Eric Balkunas, he now lists the odds of approval for most spot crypto ETFs at 90% or more. That includes XRP, Dogecoin, and Cardano, as well as others like Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, and Litecoin. So what caused this turnaround? By the way, you want to stay updated with the latest in crypto? Just subscribe to our channel. The answer lies in recent changes inside the SEC. Since Paul Atkins took over as chairman in April, the commission has taken a noticeably different approach. Atkins has promised a more crypto-friendly stance, and it's starting to show. Earlier this month, the SEC asked issuers of spot Solana ETFs to update their filings. That kind of back and forth usually signals that approvals are close. If these new ETFs get the green light, it could mean billions of dollars flowing into the altcoin market. Right now, only Bitcoin and Ethereum have spot ETFs approved in the US, but many more are waiting in line. Dozens of applications have already been submitted, and there's clearly demand. Spot ETFs allow institutions and retail investors to gain price exposure to cryptocurrencies without needing to store them. They also come with familiar legal frameworks and added transparency, making them far more attractive to conservative investors. We've already seen what this can do. Since Bitcoin ETFs were approved earlier this year, they've brought in tens of billions of dollars. Ethereum ETFs followed suit. If XRP, Dogecoin, and Cardano join the list, it could spark a new wave of inflows, not just from US traders, but globally. This marks a shift in tone for Bloomberg as well. Typically cautious with ETF predictions, the analysts are now leaning bullish. That in itself is a signal that industry experts believe something big is coming. These aren't speculative predictions, they're based on real interactions between regulators and fund issuers. To sum it up, the SEC is opening doors, the analysts are taking notice, and the altcoin market may be on the verge of a breakout. If these ETFs go through, it could mean massive exposure and legitimization for assets that were once dismissed as meme coins or niche platforms. Stay tuned, the next few months could reshape crypto investing as we know it.